It has always seemed to me that this is a solution in search of a problem. What is the problem? Are there too many doddering justices on the court? I don't. In the time I've been there, there's nobody who stayed around longer than ought to have been, and they were all still hitting on all cylinders when they left. Brennan could have stayed around longer. Lewis Powell could have. Certainly Sanders could have. What is the problem? The problem is that presidents don't get enough appointments. Is that the problem? That Jimmy Carter had none, and what is the problem?
I'm not sure there is one.
Unless it's the age of the justices, I do not. Either that or the fact you want every president to have a certain number of appointments. Unless it's one or the other of those two things, I don't see what it accomplishes. Or maybe there's a third. Well, what's a third? Maybe you want. I think there's a great advantage in having a huge time span. I mean, when I came on the court, there was someone who had been appointed by Dwight Eisenhower. I mean, Bill Brennan had been appointed by Eisenhower. The court makes, in its most important aspect, its constitutional decisions, it makes a judgment for a society over time. And I think there's a lot to be said for sitting on that court, men and women who represent the society over time, and not just the current society. I mean, the current society expresses its wishes through the legislature. You no doubt about what that society wants. But if you do believe that a constitution places some limits on the current society in light of the society over time, it seems to me, would prefer a court that represents the society over time.